Immediately, Jesus made the disciples get into the boat and go before him to the other side, while he dismissed the crowds. After Jesus had dismissed the crowds, he went up on the mountain by himself to pray. When evening came, he was there alone. But the boat by this time was a long way from the land, beaten by the waves, for the wind was against them. And in the fourth watch of the night, Jesus came to them walking on the sea. But when the disciples saw him walking on the sea, they were terrified, and said, "It is a ghost," and they cried out in fear. But immediately Jesus spoke to them, saying, "Take heart, it is I, do not be afraid." And Peter answered Jesus, "Lord, if it is you, command me to come to you on the water." Jesus said, "Come." So Peter got out of the boat and walked on the water and came to Jesus. But when Peter saw the wind, he was afraid, and beginning to sink, he cried out, "Lord, save me." Jesus immediately reached out his hand and took hold of Peter, saying to him, "O you of little faith, why did you doubt?" When they got into the boat, the wind ceased, and those in the boat worshipped Jesus, saying, "Truly, you are the Son of God." When we last saw Flat Jesus and the disciples, Jesus was leading otter, flamingo, red panda, and the sea turtle away from the shore to learn how to fish for people. In the meantime, the rest of the puppets have joined the group of followers.
Heave!
Help!
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 Everyone into the boat!
Cannonball!
All right, disciples, I'm going to send all these good people home, and then I'm going to go up to the mountain to be with God and spend some time in prayer.
So the disciples all pile into the boat, and it heads for the other side of the lake.
Sit down, Flamingo. You're rocking the boat.
Suddenly, a storm swept across the sea, and the disciples were very afraid as the wind blows and the waves roll over the boat.
Oh, look, it's a ghost.
Oh, take heart, friends. It is I, Jesus. Do not be afraid. Trust me, and I will keep you safe.
Lord, if it's you, command me to come to you on the water.
Oh, come on, Peter, come on out.
Lord, save me.
Oh, Peter, why did you doubt, you of little faith? Again, I say to you, if you trust in me, I will keep you safe.
Truly, you are the Son of God.